I mean, between this and oiling down the fish, we're just
it's about to be a party.
having a day. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. It's another blustery day here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. But we just got back from a weekend with my family up in North Carolina, and we had so much fun.
It was one of those weekends, I'm sure you can relate, when your whole family's there, you're just laughing, we're playing games, we're snacking, we're eating so much. Now we're back and we need something healthy.
So today we got some seafood once again, and we are making a lemon butter salmon with green beans on the side. So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
Welcome back to Destination Delicious. We have really enjoyed our time on the East Coast, especially the eating, because we've been making crab melts, we've been making shrimp tacos, and now we're about to make salmon.
Yeah, this one's going to be pretty easy. The salmon's going to go on last because it's going to take the least time to cook. So if you want to start cutting the ends off the green beans, I'm going to get our garlic lemon butter going.
You're going to need what? Lemon?
Yep, I'm gonna need lemon,
Butter.
so lemon and garlic.
You want the big knife or the little knife?
The proper knife, which is the big knife.
Apparently,
That's why I brought it out.
Spencer takes issue with the knives that I use while we're cooking. Although, I do have a new Blackstone knife to try today. Whoa. What'd that garlic ever do to you?
We're going to use one of Blackstone's grease catcher cups. I'm gonna throw a whole stick of unsalted butter in. So we just need the juice of half a lemon, and then this is going directly on the griddle. I have the griddle set to low while we get all the food prepped, and then I'll adjust the temperature as we get things on.
We got some fresh green beans today, so I'm gonna cut off the ends. So next I've gotta get some oil. Look
oil.
at this. Nice new squeezy. You can never have too much.
That's plenty.
Oh, you can have too much oil. We are gonna use my favorite, the Parmesan Ranch Blackstone seasoning. I love it.
Hold it lower, it's a little windy.
Yeah. Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get more of that soon.
Salt and pepper next. Now I gotta do this, or I can just do the...
You can toss it.
All right, I'm gonna give the toss a try. All right, ready to get these on the griddle?
I'm gonna adjust the temperature up to medium so the beans can go on.
It will take a little while for the green beans to be ready, so we're gonna let that cook a little bit.
In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and get the salmon prepped for the griddle. The first thing I'm gonna do is get a little bit of olive oil and coat the surface of the fish. Oh yeah, I like that bottle. So we'll just give that a good rub down. Get all sides.
It's making me jealous right now. I could use a back rub.
And then a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, an oily hand. We wouldn't be Marylanders cooking seafood if we weren't using Old Bay. So definitely got to put some of that on our salmon. You can hear the beans sizzling, so I'm going to give those a check and give a toss. I'm going to turn the temperature down just a little bit because we're already getting some good color, but I know that it takes a little while to cook the beans fully through. Alright, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. This is one of those meals that's actually pretty easy to make, but it looks like you spent hours creating a gourmet meal. So fellas, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so if you want a special meal for that special someone in your life, this is a good one to do. And then just flip this back over. And with the other half of our lemon, a little bit of lemon juice over top. Did you get cold?
I did.
The beans are almost done, and while they finish up, it's time to get the salmon on. And it's not going to take too long, only about 3 minutes per side. Our garlic butter is good to go, so I'm actually going to use just a little bit of that on the griddle to put the fish on. I'm going to put the fish down flesh side first, so we get that good and crispy, and then we'll flip it over and do the skin side second. Then I'm going to slide the beans to the side and make room so we can put our rice down.
Even though we're using the microwavable because it's just easier for us, we still should knead the rice so it's a little bit looser prior to putting it on the griddle. I'm gonna work on a few things for garnishes. I'm gonna cut up some lemon slices as well as some of our parsley.
The salmon is ready to flip, and these fillets are actually pretty thick. So instead of 3 to 4 minutes, I actually gave them about 7. Then I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of the garlic butter sauce over top. I like the skin on my salmon crispy, so I'm gonna crank that heat up just a little bit on that side.
I like the salmon skin not on my plate.
Beans are just about done, so let's throw some of that Parmesan on there and get that like semi-melted over top. Everything is ready.
It smells so good.
You hungry?
I'm very hungry.
All right, so let's plate this up.
It smells so good.
Smells
I'm ready to dive right
amazing.
on
All
in.
right.
Balls apart so well.
So good.
That is delicious.
The garlic lemon butter brings
fantastic flavor.
everything together. Blackstone
This is
cooked
so
it.
delicious.
Cooked it perfectly.
I really, I love the rice on the Blackstone because it adds a little bit of that crunch to it, which just, enhances the texture.
All right, I'm gonna try some of these beans.
Beans and the cheese. So good. Wow, this is fantastic. This meal is so good. Should definitely try this at home. If you do, let us know what you think in the comments.
Jump online, check out everything Blackstone, the YouTube channel, subscribe, watch all the shows. Bruce, Nate, CJ, Todd, and Betty, they're all fantastic. And guys, remember, Valentine's Day. Keep it in mind.
Yeah, I would be so impressed if you cooked this for me. Like just on your own. I
mean, it looks pretty fancy, right?
Yeah, I would be so impressed.
But it's actually pretty simple. Check out blackstoneproducts.com. And until next time, guys, this has been Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.